Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I show you my recipe for Do As I Say oil. This spell oil can be used to influence others to follow your suggestions. Its main focus is on persuasion, making others see you as an authority and allowing you to control situations. Let's do some magical crafting. Spell oils or conjure oils are used in witchcraft, conjure, and root work. Their uses are as varied as the people who make them. Do As I Say oil amplifies your intent to persuade or compel. Ethically, it's important to consider its use in a way that respects free will. You may wish to use it in situations where you seek positive influence, rather than for outright manipulation. Before I talk about each ingredient and what it adds to the oil, please know that this is my personal Do As I Say oil blend. There are many recipes for this oil and the ingredients will vary slightly. You should incorporate the ingredients you have on hand that provide the effects that you want in your oil. As always, my tutorials should only be a starting point for you to develop your own craft. Use what feels right for you and what you have access to. There's no need to buy expensive herbs or spices unless you want to. I've created a Book of Shadows page for this spell oil recipe. It explains the magical correspondences of each ingredient and gives some suggestions for how to use the oil in your magical workings. If you'd like to download a PDF of this grimoire page, you can visit Magical Crafting on Patreon at the link below the video. I'm starting with calamus root, also known as sweet flag, sway, or muskrat root. Calamus root is a well-known, commanding herb used to dominate and control situations and people. It has a sharp, potent energy for enforcing willpower and authority. I'm adding mandrake root next. Mandrake is a powerful root often used for domination, protection, and compelling spells. It's known for its strong influence in magical workings, helping to manifest desires and control situations. Before I continue adding more ingredients to this recipe, a quick word from this video's sponsor. This video is brought to you by my patrons. The Magical Crafting Patreon is a space where you can support my work and this channel. There are so many reasons to join. Patreon is where I share the monthly community sigil artwork and post notifications for all of my video content so you never miss an upload. Each month I post reminders and links for my art livestream, my crafting livestream, and my monthly Plan With Me livestream, so you never miss a chance to hang out and craft with me. You can participate in polls and give feedback about what you'd like to see on the channel, and there are lots of rewards every month. Each month I create and share a printable monthly mood board and digital wallpapers for your phone and tablet. I post a set of 4 printable planner sticker pages with a new monthly color scheme and theme. And I share a printable Book of Shadows page for my patrons. And all of my patrons have access to the large library of my earlier pages as well. In the higher tiers, you can become a pen pal or sigil spellbag patron, and a new reward tier is in the works and coming soon. There are so many reasons to join my Patreon community. I hope you'll visit at the link below the video. Next is licorice root. Licorice root is a traditional ingredient in hoodoo for control, dominance, and bending others to your will. It's used to make people more compliant and to influence them in love, business, and legal matters. And finally, some orris root. Orris root is often used in love spells, but it also has properties of persuasion and attraction. It draws people to you and opens lines of communication, making it easier to get your way. I'm also adding patchouli, a love-drawing herb with an earthy scent and one of my favorite herbs. It brings wealth into your life along with love. Patchouli is grounding and is often used in matters of attraction, manifestation, and material success. It helps anchor your intentions and draws opportunities to you. Because I love this scent, I'm also adding a bit of patchouli essential oil. This oil will smell earthy, sweet, and a bit citrusy after it has been infused. I'm also adding sweet orange oil. Sweet orange is associated with joy, communication, and attraction. It opens doors, brings a light-hearted energy to difficult situations, and makes others more willing to cooperate. I'm also adding bergamot essential oil. The scent is uplifting and bright, traditionally associated with success, prosperity, and luck. It helps to sweeten situations and make others more receptive to your ideas or demands. Once you've added all of your dry ingredients as well as your essential oils, it's time to add the main carrier oil. I'm using sweet almond oil as my carrier oil to draw prosperity. You can use any carrier oil you have on hand. Once the bottle is full, allow the herbs to steep inside for 3 or 4 weeks, shaking occasionally to mix them. Once the oil has steeped sufficiently, you can strain the herbs out of the oil using a cheesecloth lined strainer if that's your preference. I like to leave my herbs in the oil. Keep the bottle tightly closed and store it in a cool place. This way, it can last from a year to up to 18 months. There are many ways to use Do As I Say oil. Apply a bit of the oil to your hands before a job interview to subtly influence the interviewer to hire you. Use it to sway a judge or jury in your favor during a court case by anointing court documents or subtly wearing it. Use it to influence people who are in positions of authority, such as bosses or teachers. Rub it on your hands or paperwork to influence business partners or clients to agree to your terms. Anoint cash registers, doorways, or even product labels to subtly influence customers to make purchases. As long as you're not allergic to any of the ingredients, a few drops can be added to your bath water, or wear a drop or two behind the ears when you need people to perceive you as an authority figure.